Alright guys, welcome to lesson number 3. We're still going to work on the quadratic formula just to get a little more practice. What we're going to do is we're going to do the quadratic formula this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we'll take another quiz on Castle Learning on Thursday. This quiz on Castle Learning will be a little longer. Instead of 5 questions, it'll be 10 questions. Alright? So remember, when we're using the quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All right? Remember, to use this formula, your quadratic equation must equal 0. And this worksheet is going to help you with your quiz next week because it's all multiple choice. So make sure you really know how to do this because this will help you out for next time. All right? So to start with number 1, we have to have it equal to 0. So remember, I have to minus 24 to both sides. So I have x squared minus 8x minus 24 equals 0. Now the quadratic formula, negative b, so instead of negative 8, it'll be positive 8, plus or minus the square root of 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 24, all over 2 times a, which is 1. All right, taking out my calculator. I'm going to just do the inside of the square root. So 8 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 24. That gives me 256. All right, I lied to you. That's a 1. Let me redo that. 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 24. That gives me 160. So I'm going to have 8 plus or minus the square root of 160 over 2. So now remember what I said, when you're doing a multiple choice question, all right, first of all, my 8 is positive, so that gets rid of choice 2 and choice 4 because the first number is negative, has to be positive. Now the second part, just do the plus. 8 plus the square root of 160, hit enter, divided by 2, and you get 10.32. So now we're going to look and see which choice is 10.32. So the first one, 4 plus 2 square root 10. Gives me 10.32. So my answer is choice 1. All right. If you look at choice 3, just to show you, 4 plus 2 square root of 5. 4 plus 2 square root of 2. You don't get 10.32. So that's why it's not the answer. All right, let's do one more together. Let's do, all right, let's do number 2. All right, it's already equal to 0, so that's nice. So x equals negative b, so negative 4, plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 16, all over 2 times 1. All right, so now do the inside. Let me clear this out. So I have 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 16. And I get 80. So now I do negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 80 over 2. Again, it's negative 4. So that eliminates choice 2 and choice 3 because those start with positives. So now we're going to do the first one. Negative 4 plus the square root of 80. Enter, divided by 2. And I get 2.47. And now I'm going to go look at my choices. So choice 1 is negative 2 plus 2 square root 5. And I get the exact same thing. So the answer is choice 2. All right. If you have any questions, please email me at robert.mcconi@riverhead.net or at robert.mcconi@g.riverhead.net. Again, you will have a quiz on Thursday. And the only new thing that we're doing this week is every day there's going to be an attendance check-in. All right, so for you guys, it's going to be worth a percentage of your grade, probably 10 or 20%. I haven't figured that out yet. But all it is a questionnaire. And the questionnaire will say, did you do the worksheet today? Yes or no? Did you watch the video today? Yes or no? And then the third question would be, did you check your solutions? Yes or no? If you fill that in and submit it, I'll get a copy of it. Then I can take a look to see who's checking in every day. As long as you're logging on every day and you're attempting the work, I'm going to give you a classwork grade like we did if you were in class. All right, so if you got to do that every day. If you don't do it, you get a 0 for the day, and we'll put your week's grade in there, and that'll be your classwork grade. So hopefully you guys take a look at that and you do this all the time. And again, we will have a quiz on Thursday on the same stuff as we did last week, just this, the quadratic formula. All right, talk to you guys soon, and hopefully we'll be in class in a couple weeks. Have a nice day. Bye.